In the wake of dawn, I see you shine. When I feel that heartbeat, I fly so much higher, fly so much higher, fly so much higher, fly so much higher. Skylines and clouds are below us now. Skydive back down. Oh, take my hand, don't let go. Skyward bound. In the wake of dawn, I see you shine. When I feel that heartbeat, I fly so much higher, fly so much higher, fly so much higher. eyes. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. We're dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. You search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Reaching for the stars. I wonder where you are.
Yo, here we go again. I find myself in the same fucking position. I gotta let go of this one. The fork in the road, that place we all hate. Go left or right, I think it's right that I skate. I've been standing on thin ice for days, it's gon' break. I mean, if I stay, cause your shit ain't the same. You screaming and crying, we arguing all the time. These reasons ain't hard to find, and that's what I call a sign. Let's pack it all in, I'm thinking we qualified. It's time to say goodbye, adios, au revoir. My life on pause, no wonder I'm distraught. All those red flags, shit, I guess I never caught them. And I ain't trying to place the blame and go and say all you women are insane. I'm just saying. It's like I need to find an exit. If she anything like my last ex, I need protection. Fuck, I need a weapon. Fuck, I need a tank. The army okay to cops. Will somebody call a reverend to read my last rites? Go and get my last confession. Cause we just in the same damn mess how we left it. 6 million ways to die. So I don't know if I'ma make it alive. I said 6 million ways to die. I'm pretty sure this crazy bitch figured all of them out. I'm just saying. go.
What is going on here? You guys know each other?
Yeah, it's a crazy bitch that punched me in my eye.
Okay, I came home from tour, my clothes was all torn. It's pretty, I be eating Armani's on the floor. I'll probably be a zombie or a corpse, cause I walked through the door, saw my picture on a dartboard. Damn, bullseye, it's getting hardcore. Like she been practicing until her arm's sore. Time to abort, voodoo doll on the porch. And she must want a war, how she keyed up my car door. Whore, what else she got in store? I don't wanna be forced to take this bitch to court. So break down the herb, roll me up a cigar, break out the liquor, pour it up, I need to sip on. Yeah, I'm just getting sick of the psychos got me pissed off. Meanwhile, dealing with this female, see now.
I hate to say I told you so.
Okay, man, I see now. She think I'm coming back, she in D now. Calling me non-stop, her fingers stuck to redial. Invested everything, I need a refund. Cause she just do the same damn thing like a rerun. Bitch. She just want me to stay. Said she want me to stay. And she just want me to stay. Said she want me to stay. And I just want to escape. Around we go.